Are you still stripping wires with a knife? Inefficient and hurts your hands. Still worried about damaging your table by drilling holes? Today I will introduce to you a manual, electric wire stripping machine. We are equipped with G-type clamps, which do not require drilling, will not cause any damage to your table, and can be disassembled at any time. In addition, we also provide spare screws to meet your needs in different scenarios. It is equipped with a detachable hand handle, which is easy to install and disassemble. It can also be used with an electric drill, greatly improving work efficiency. The wire crimping baffle can be adjusted in height. Without worrying about wire deviation, it can easily strip wires in the range of 1.5 mm to 22 mm. And the height of the blade can be adjusted. Just turn the top knob to easily strip wires of different sizes. Both copper and aluminum wires can be stripped. It can quickly strip wires and has a complete range of stripping types to improve daily wire stripping efficiency. Thank you for watching. Choosing our wire stripping machine can make your work easier.